Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Lily Fault Gang. You guys missed me, huh? Just kidding. So, I just got home from work. Apologize for the bad lighting, but I don't give a fuck. You're gonna get what I fucking give you, okay? So, I'm going to eat my candy. Now, I had to come in and close the door because Bella was like barking her head off. And they have to eat an hour after Precious takes her medicine. She takes heart pills and water pills, so she has to wait. I was like, you girls don't understand, but one day you will understand why. It's just like every morning for me, I have to take a thyroid pill and have to wait an hour. And they're so good. These are the cherry pull apart twizzlers. This is probably my favorite candy. I like the regular ones, but these are really good. I have to fart. But it won't come out. By the time my period, it won't come out. It's probably a poop. I like cherry, cinnamon, and I like sour. Like Sour Patch candies, though. Oh my god. Oh, my vagina hurts. Oh, hear that? My vagina hurt really bad for some reason. Welcome back to summer period, though, for real. Like, it hurts. Happy early Mother's Day to all the moms out there. And to all the single fathers raising their children. Happy Mother's Day. Yep. I gotta get my mom something. I don't know what, though. Oh, my vagina is hurting. The fuck? Damn. That's a weird feeling. It's like a turd's coming out of my vagina. I've been waiting all day for these. Oh my gosh, I forgot I had them. You guys need to try some of these. If you haven't tried it. It's more of pulling it apart. My vagina hurts so bad. It's like when I pushed my uterus out or something. I pushed like my vagina walls out or something. Or my asshole got confused. My vagina got confused and thought it was my asshole, and I might be pushing a turd out of my vagina. Could happen. Then I would have a UTI. Those fucking hurt. UTIs are very painful. Damn. They're so delicious. Mmm. I have nice teeth. Thank you. Just kidding. I need to take a shower and go to bed because I gotta get up early and go to work. Probably there for like 12 hours tomorrow. Most likely. Oh, I'm getting full. I had to lock Bella out though because she was just getting on my nerves. And I was like, I'm gonna feed you in a minute. So I'm gonna feed her. As soon as I get done with this video, I'm gonna feed my little baby. She's like the cutest little dog, you guys. Who the fuck is that? She's the sweetest little dog. Like, she's so friendly. She goes like this, waves her paws. She stands up and waves her paws at everybody. When she wants them to pet her, when she wants them, like she wants attention, she waves her paws at you. And she like hugs people. Like, she goes up to people and she goes, lays her head on them. Whenever she does it, it never fails. Everybody's like, oh, you know, like, because she's so cute. And she gives hugs all the time. You know why? Because of me. Yep, I taught her that shit. Not the paw thing. But I've always given her hugs and like was always so lovable with her. And I would tell her, give me hugs. Or give me a kiss, and she'd give me hugs and kisses. But I can't catch it on camera. Maybe I can, but she knows what the camera is, and she gets shy and she runs away. So she gives hugs to everybody. She loves people. I'm getting full because I had food before this. These are like my favorite candies, and I like to play with them. I don't know fucking why, but it'll be fucking it up though. I can't wait to do my $500 giveaway. Since I have 5,000 subscribers, bitch. Oh my god, I got fucking foundation all over my wall. Shit. I think I know why. Yesterday. Or today. I like opened my bottle and it wouldn't come out and it squirted everywhere. So it's on my fucking wall. Damn. Mother sucker. This is my ex-boyfriend. Listen. Got a wet noodle. Y'all nasty though. Y'all be so nasty. You want some spaghetti? My my friends were like, "You're stupid." Another cousin that said she would say spaghetti. She'd be like, "Spaghetti." She has some rich spaghetti. Don't fucking ask. I don't know why. It's a dry noodle. That's how you do it. Okay, I'm getting fucking full now. I better slow the fuck down and be throwing up. Oh, fucking throwing up. Let me go check my vagina. Make sure I'm inside my period. I wish I did start it so I could feel better. Oh my god, shut up. That was me, Big Mouse. I want the dog from the Humane Society. Fuck. I get so bored. I get so tired of taking a shower, you guys. I just want to be stinking dirty. I should just be a fat, dirty bitch. This eye keeps feeling like there's something in it. Like lint or doggy hair or something. Oh. Gross. I can't burp. I might throw up. I'm laying on my gut. So guys, I have nothing to say. I just have to, I had to make a video really quick. I just suck sometimes. I try to be consistent, but I've been working a lot, stressed out a little bit. Trying to get my life together a little bit. And trying to catch up with housework. My sink broke like last week and we finally got it fixed like this week. So sorry, that's gross. Ew. Got my sink fixed, and then I have somebody coming to mow my yard every week, so I have to like make time for that. And then catching up on laundry if I'm not working. Catching up on my food shopping and my dog's pills. I had to go and fill my dog's pills yesterday. I think it was. I don't remember. So I have a lot of shit that I have, a lot of errands I have to run, and I know it's so easy. Like I need to just like keep up with my videos, and I'm just very, very like distracted a lot of times. Like I could be doing something and then boom, I'm doing something else. I'm trying to get everything done all at the same time. I need to just take it one step at a time and get it done. Like just don't, rush it. Like I be rushing shit and then I be wearing myself out, Then we had some bad weather, and then I posted a little bit about that because I had to post something, and I have another video I'm gonna post. I got this, but let me know more of what you guys want. Like, do you want to see more makeup videos? Do my makeup? Do you want to see more? Like, what do you want me to do? I need to know. You guys are my fucking audience. You gotta tell me these fucking things. I know a lot of you is not subscribed to my channel though, because it tells me on I go and I look. And there's more people that are just watching me that are not subscribed than my subscribers, So just subscribe. That way, we can do the giveaway. Give me a thumbs up for this video because it really helps YouTube push my videos out there so then I could do more things, more prizes, more money, so you guys can have more and I can have more. So anyway, I don't know if that fucking makes sense, but I need to go take a shit now. I need to go and feed my dog. I need to go check my vagina. Anyways, I love you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys. Love you.